Hello, Network Signals and Systems. Question 25. Switch SW open from long time, more than 5 times constant, and switch SW again closed at time t equal to 0 second. Find time constant t of the given circuit. Time constant t equal to total inductance L divided by total resistance R. From the given circuit, equivalent inductance of the circuit equal to 1 Henry plus 3 Henry plus 2 Henry and 2 Henry, two inductance in parallel. So total inductance equal to 5 Henry. And equivalent resistance of the circuit equal to 3 plus 2, 5 ohm. So time constant T equal to equivalent inductance divided by equivalent resistance. This equal to 5 upon 5 equal to 1 second. Okay, thank you.